Okay, hi there. I'm Ray here. I have one stop here, and this gadget is I made this for. This is a homemade. Sorry, because I used only one hand. Okay, put this stuff right here. Take it out. Okay. When you see this is outlet. I made this for a flat iron. This gadget is energy saver. I call this energy saver for flat iron only. Okay, use this for saving consume for my house. And next video that I'm gonna make is how this gadget work for my flat iron with a meter reading. So did you see a flat iron? I make this. This is a homemade on my own. I made this. It's very hard, but it's simple to do. So see you next time. Bye bye.